The EF-3000 is a large format, flatbed, edge finishing machine that makes polishing large sheets of acrylic easier than ever. It's easy to use and has an optional feature that allows control of the machine through the touchscreen or physical buttons. The EF-3000 has a 4.5-inch polishing capability that can bevel all the way up to 60 degrees and has 5 pneumatic clamps allowing you to process single sheets or sacks of material. It has a table length of 51 inches, a 2-horsepower motor, speeds of between 7,000 and 9,000 RPM, and can cut at a rate of up to 5 feet per minute. The EF-3000 achieves an optically clear edge with only one pass, no sanding or scraping necessary. Precision, ease of use, and efficiency are what make the EF-3000 a superior choice for your edge finishing needs. Learn more about the EF-3000 and its features on our website.